It is our lecture about psychology. In our lecture today, I am going to cover some about the definition of psychology. It is an introduction to general psychology. As a human beings, our curiosity drives us to know the reasons behind the various events happening around us. Whenever we meet somebody or someone doing something, we immediately try to understand as to why this person is doing this kind of activity. Similarly, we often try to understand our own experiences and behaviors in different situations. The eagerness and the curiosity guide us to think as to how people are different from each other in terms of their intellectual ability, personality traits, personality characteristics, aptitudes, attitudes, motivation, temperament, feelings, emotions, and so on. So we may ask a question like as why do they become happy or sad? How do they become friendly or may express aggressive behavior or antagonistic relationships? How do some people learn anything quickly while others take relatively more time? The answer to all these questions may be given by a novice as well as a person who has learned psychology. The answer of the novice can be guided by common sense, but a psychologist can study the reasons behind such activities in a systematic way and can provide scientific answers to these questions, which can be tested time and again. In this lesson, we will try to understand the nature and the scope of psychology in detail. Now, what about our objectives? After studying this lesson, you will be able to explain the nature of psychology and its definitions, describe the scope of psychology, elaborate the basic psychological processes, and explain the aims and fields of psychology. We have a required text. It is Topics in Psychology, prepared by Professor Hisham Abdelhamid, the course grades. Grades will be based on the points obtained from the following sources. The first source includes quiz 1, 10 marks, quiz 2, 10 marks, midterm, 40 marks, and we have classwork, 15 marks. And also we have final, the second source, the final exam, 75 marks. And the total score is 150.